This is Road 2.
Good morning. Nice of you guys to drop by.
When stationed on Hoth, the Rebel Alliance modified T-47 airspeeders to become snowspeeders, fast-flying conveyances for patrol and defense of their hidden base. It took some doing to keep the crippling cold from permanently grounding their air force, but Rebel ingenuity overcame the relentless Hoth elements. The Snowspeeder is a small wedge-shaped craft with two forward-facing laser cannons.
Howdy folk, we have just completed the Snowspeeder by Bandai, plastic model kit Star Wars 1/48th scale model. We just finished it, it's December 17th, and we're going to go into it, but first I want to give you a little pictogram of the build and the plans and everything, from the opening it up with the pieces still on the sprue to the completion, and then we'll talk about it, and then we'll conclude it. So this is scale model edition number 19, build number 21. Let me show it to you right now. So this is the Snowspeeder, if I could say that 10 times fast. The Snowspeeder in all its glory, the finished product from Superdan. The underside, front side. Yeah, you can see a little guy in there driving. I think I should have painted the guy. I didn't paint him, but now that I'm looking at it, maybe I should have painted him, but I don't know. He's not really the focal point of the model. I do love the fact that I kept one hatch open, one hatch closed. I think that looks really cool. I think overall the model looks really cool. I used a gloss clear coat, which after I did it, I realized I didn't want to use gloss, just a regular clear coat. I didn't want this thing to look glossy, but it does, and that's just the way it goes. We'll just say that it dipped through water. I did want it to look weathered, and of course it looks very weathered, as you can see. Weathered, maybe over weathered, I don't know. But I think I overly compensated for the gloss clear coat that I put on it. But I definitely didn't want it to look clean. I wanted it to look dirty, like it's been flying around for a long time on the planet Hoth. So definitely that's what it looks like. I wouldn't say this came out poorly, not at all. I'd probably display this on the shelf, but it just wasn't my idea, the finished product, how it looks, of what I was thinking in my brain. It had a lot of decals. That was, some were easier than others to put on. I noticed that on the kit, on the front cover, there's hardly any decals. Here I loaded it up with the decals. Some of them look great. Some of them, I don't know if they were necessary or not. But regardless, they're still on there. So on a scale of 1 to 10 for this Bandai kit, I will give it an 8. I'm not giving it a 9 or a 10 because I think it could be a little bit more clear on the decals. Putting them on was very difficult, but I'm very happy with it, and we're just gonna leave it like that. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. This is a quick video of the Snowspeeder 1/48 scale. I do not know what the next build is going to be, but when I know, you guys will know. Thank you for watching these scale modeler videos. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, click the thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and I will catch you on the next one. And that's it. Cheers. Happy holidays.